guys, welcome to Learn for Future channel. Now I'm going to explain 10 different topics in aptitude which will help to you in your competitive exams and placement exams. These are the 10 important topics. I'll explain one by one. Now I'm going to explain age problems. We want to learn some basic points. They are: age is divided into 3 types: present, future and past. Present means x, future means x plus, past means x minus. In some questions they'll ask like n times. If they give n times, we should write n into x. Now I am going to explain one simple example that gives you clarity. Example: present age of A and B are in the ratio 5:4 respectively. 3 years hence, the ratio of their age will become 11:9 respectively, and find the B. Now present age of A and B is 5:4 ratio. Then A is equals to 5 into x. That means present means x. So 5x. B is equals to 4x. Now we should write 3 years hence. If they give 3 years hence, you directly write plus 3. And is equals to respective ratio is 11:9. 11:9 means 11 by 9. If you cross multiply, you'll get this. After doing this, read the question once or twice. Then you can understand easily. Here, find B. To find B, we should substitute x in this B. 32. Now I am going to explain somewhat complex examples. Example 2. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. After 80 years, he would be 2.5 times of his son's age. After future 80 years, how many times would he be son's age? Now we should read the question once or twice, then only you can understand the question. If you understand the question, you can answer easily. Now, son's age. They did not mention son's age. So x. Father's age is equals to x plus 3x, because 3 times more than his son's age. So x plus 3x. Now if we add this, we'll get 4x. Now 4x plus after 8 years plus 8 is equals to 2.5 times of its son age. 2.5 his son's age. Here x plus after 8 years x plus 8. If we add, we'll get x is equals to 8. After calculating this, here some other question is there. We should read entire question, then only you can answer the question. After future 8 years. After future 8 years. So we should add plus 8 again. Plus 8. How many times would he be son's age? We should divide x plus 8 plus 8. If we divide 4x plus 16 by x plus 16, we should substitute 8 in this x. 4 into 8 plus 16 by 8 plus 16. If we calculate, we will get 32 plus 16 by 8 plus 16. 48 by 24 will get 2. Now 2 times his son's age. How many times means 2 times. Now example 3. The sum of age of 5 children born at interval of 3 years, each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? Now we want to find the age of the youngest child with interval 3 years for each child. Now for child 1 is x, child 2 They told interval of 3 years, x plus 3. Third child with 3 interval plus 6. Fourth child with 3 interval plus 9. Fifth child with 3 interval x plus 12. Each is 50 years. So we should add all this. X plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 plus x plus 12 is equals to 50. If we add, we'll get 5x plus 30 is equals to 50. 5x is equals to 50 minus 30. 5x is equals to 20. X is equal to 4. So, the age of the youngest child is 4. Example 4. The age of father is 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years hence, father age will be thrice than of his son. The ratio of the present age is. Here, son's age is x because they did not give the age of the son. Now, 3x plus 10 means thrice the age of his son. 3x plus 10 years plus 10 plus 10 years of his father's age is equals to twice 2 than his son. X plus 10 plus 10. If we add, we'll get x is equals to 20. We want to find the ratio of the present age. So 3x plus 10 ratio x plus 10. If you calculate, we'll get 7:3. Now, fifth example. Sachin is younger than Rahul by 7 years. If their ages are in the respective ratio 7:9, how old is Sachin? Now, Rahul's is x because they did not include his age in this question. Sachin age is equals to x minus 7 because Sachin is younger than Rahul by 7 years. So if they gave younger, we should write minus here. Then we want to find the ratio. To find the ratio, we should write x by 7 by x is equals to find ratio, we should write 7 by 9. Now cross multiply. 9x minus 63 is equals to 7x. X is equals to 31.5. How old is Sachin? We want to find the age. So x minus 7. X minus 7. 31.5 minus 7. 24.5 years. Okay friends, I hope everyone understand this age problems. Next topic I'll say in next video. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.